Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, free classifieds for printing. This is the third video for this wire cutter, and I've replaced the enclosure. I put one here and I put that switch in. So I'm going to show you how it works. I think I'm going to sell this unit and upgrade. So if you want it, let me know. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to turn it on, the power on. Right now it's in neutral, meaning nothing can happen. Down is momentary. 1 minute, I did that wrong. There you go. I didn't push it all the way in. I didn't push this all the way in. So middle is nothing, bottom is foot switch. So you can see it's working. It's nice because if you make a mistake, you can just stop, pull it out, and start again. Or we can do it in continuous all the way up. So that roller is working. So we're going to put it in neutral, meaning it's not moving. I'm going to put it in, now I'm going to put it in foot switch. So I'm going to strip some wire. Here we go. And see, I can stop it. Or I can put it in automatic. Oh, see, it came off. That sucks. So we're going to put it in neutral again, and we're going to start it again. We're going to start it in foot switch mode. That should do it. We'll put it in automatic mode. Okay, so I like using the foot switch. I had the foot switch on the table just to show for demonstrations. So we'll go back to foot switch, down. So it's taking it. So we'll just run it. Oh, fell off. Look at that. I think these rollers should be scored more. It's something that you could do if you want to buy it. It's been a problem with all these units. But it's way better than stripping by hand. Let's see how that went. It does a pretty good job. Most strippers don't do the front and the end of it, but you just pull it out. Here you go. Yep. That's where it stopped, I think. Okay, so we got some copper there. I think this is like 12 gauge or something. This was some trailer wire that I had excess amounts of. No more trailer, so no more wiring. There you go. There's the other one. So there you go. I think I have one more? I have one more. So we're just going to do it on regular mode, which is automatic. Watch your hands. Okay, let's see that again. It actually works better with the foot switch and hand feeding, but you don't want to hurt your hands. Get your finger caught in there because it'll go to the hospital. So there that is again. It will come with these feeders. They're kind of useless. So, and this part right here. I don't know why it's dangerous over here. It's more dangerous down here. So it kind of doesn't make sense. So, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, let me know. I might put a detachable foot switch on there, but I'm really just done with it, I think. There's nothing I want to do more for it. Go to screenprintexchange.com if you want to see the schematics. Thank you. Bye.